be sharing you a short video. I'm going to vlog this puppet water stress relieving puppet water game. So here it is. So why it's called puppet? Because it has this little button. Like when you press it, it's a button. It's a puppet, and I think that's what it's going to be like. So I only bought this for $1, which for $1. So let's open it. So here it is, and this is its packaging with two cute little dinosaurs and a volcano. So this is the instructions, just for everyone to know what can cause it. So okay, so let's vlog it now. So wait. So guys, so here it is. So this is the back of it. It's with a bee. It's with this killer bee, I think. And this is the front. So another killer bee and an eagle. And what's that little mosquito doing? And oh, and there's a little snail also. Okay, so let's try it out. So there's like this little circle, like little hula hoops. Then when you press this, it will move. And you see these little ones? Oh, I think I already, oh yeah, I shooted one. You see these little sticks? These little hula hoops are supposed to be in these little sticks. So when you press it, this is what I'm telling you. When you press it, it's like a stress relieving. I will do it from the sideways. Then I'll let you see what the reaction's gonna be like. See guys? See? Then it just pops back up like a puppet. So I hope you like this quick short vlog, and I'll be eating jelly. So bye. Like and subscribe, and press that notifications bell, and subscribe to all of my vlogs, and always support my channel. Thank you guys. And my sister, oh my god, bye. Well, this is how we play it, and this is a fidget water game. Pop, 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 pop. Oh, my sister's here. Diaper. So this is how you play it. Taling, taling. Well, jelly, pop, 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 pop. Jelly, jelly, pop, 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 pop. Jelly, jelly, pop, 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 pop.